Okay, so I wrote this to basically explain what every zodiac sign needs to feel okay. Aries, as long as I can fight for what I believe in, I'm okay. Taurus, as long as I can indulge in the things I would like to indulge in, I'm okay. Gemini, as long as I can communicate with people and tell them the things I want to tell them, I'm okay. Cancer, as long as I am safe and protected, I am okay. Leo, as long as I get noticed and I am recognized, I am okay. Virgo, as long as I have order in my life and around me, I am okay. Libra, as long as I am loved, I am okay. Scorpio, as long as I am understood, I am okay. Sagittarius, as long as I can share the truth to others, I am okay. Capricorn, as long as I can have hope for the future, I'm okay. Aquarius, as long as I can make a change in the world around me, I'm okay. Pisces, as long as I can believe in my dreams, I'm okay. Thank you so much for watching.